Hi, my name is Riley Seifert, and this is my artistic representation I made. I will go more into what it's about and everything, but first, my mission for teaching is to create a fun and enjoyable atmosphere so that kids will want to continue to learn. This course has contributed to my mission in that it taught me more about cultural diversity and the fact that no one child is the same. I learned that it's important for educators to remember that every student comes from a different, say, home style, and that not all students have the same access to materials needed for the school year. One obstacle that will make my mission hard to fulfill is not fully getting to know my students on a deeper or more personal level. And one way I thought could help overcome this obstacle is by allowing my future students to inform me of anything and everything they feel I, as a teacher, should know before starting the school year. Whether it's personal information, family related, or different strategies that help them learn best, they can write it down and not have to feel nervous by talking face to face with me because sometimes kids think some things are embarrassing when really they're not. And therefore, by building a strong relationship with each of my students, I can create fun and engaging lessons and strategies in my class that all students can partake in and learn from. So overall, I believe the biggest thing I took from this class is that teachers learn from their students just as much as the students learn from them. And I think this is one way that I can learn more about my students and how I can help them learn best. Thank you.